Hello guys, do you hate maths? Do you get low scores in maths, in algebra or geometry? If yes, you have come to a right channel named Ishaan Tuitions. This is Sachin Bedawar presenting you maths topics with ease. Our tagline is student matter results count. So what we are going to do is we are going to cover all the different topics of maths in a very easy way. I'm going to explain you a lot of topics in maths in a very easy way. So these topics are not only related to or not only limited to only 10th standard students or 9th standard students, but these maths topics are very, very essential for all the students actually. So those students who are preparing for the competitive exams like CAT, MAT, XAT, all the other competitive exams, SAT as well, and there are some companies who take quantitative aptitude tests. For those also, these topics are very important. So these are very basic topics of maths, which we are going to cover in the series. So first series which I have posted was Arithmetic Progression series and some of the one episode of division and factor theorem. So we are going to continue with that. Today, I thought to come live with you just to, because last three videos were on the virtual whiteboard, so I thought I'll come with a real whiteboard now. So let's get started.